Friends, if you want to create amazing videos with AI without any camera or setup, then this is for you. Today I'll show you step by step how to use Google Vids and prepare them for YouTube or Reels. First, open Google Vids and sign in. In Google Vids, click on Generate Video. Clips can be 720p and 24 fps. This PF. Now we will give the AI our prompt. For example, I write a cinematic Indian village. At sunrise, a young farmer walking through green fields, golden sunlight. Now we will click on Create. Friends, the quality of AI video depends a lot. Be sure to include these things in your prompt, plus action, plus location, plus lighting, plus style, just like that example. If you want to create a portrait video, choose the 9:16 format. And if you want to make a normal YouTube video, you can use the 16:9 format. Google Vids supports both orientations. Want to make your video stand out? Now you can add a professional voiceover, layer in background music and sound effects. Don't forget to include dynamic subtitles. तो दोस्तों, इस तरह आप गूगल विड्स और वीओ की मदद से एआई वीडियो बना सकते हैं। अगर आपको ये ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमें कमेंट्स में बताएं कि आप अगली बार कौन सा एआई ट्यूटोरियल चाहते हैं। अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं। जय हिंद।